Hi, this is Emmanuel from WeafBooks. In this video session, I'm going to be taking you through the different ways you can generate a tax invoice through WeafBooks. The first option is one when you're generating a point of sale receipt. So you can go ahead and come to POS. Then you can look for the item in question or that items you want to invoice. Then after doing that, you go ahead and click on Pay Now. You can add the payment or I can add it later. Then you can click on Save and Physicalize Invoice. This will save the transaction and push a request to EFRIS to obtain a QR code. So if at all you don't obtain a QR code like this has happened, it means probably something happened or there could be an error that led to that not happening. So I'm just going to try again the same item once more and I see what will happen this time around. So if at all the post doesn't generate, so this time around this one has submitted and you have the FDN verification code and the QR code. Okay, so this is the first step how you can generate an invoice. So now now that we have completed, we have finalized with generating a tax receipt via the point of sale terminal. There is also an option where you have to go and do what and you create a cell. You come to sales, then add. After that, you go ahead and search for the particular items you're looking for, specify the quantity. If you have a discount, go ahead and specify the discount. If not, ignore that, you proceed, specify the customer. Let's say you're looking for a walk-in customer. Okay, this one for search for, okay, can look for this, specify the date. Then this image is for packaging for all your products are being sent out. So I'm going to specify here. Now at this point also we have the save and send to EFRIS, which will also do the same way the save and physicalize works under the POS terminal. So you can go ahead and push this, give it a few seconds and wait for the response. Perfect. This one has also been submitted at URA or EFRIS. You can click on the invoice number, then you click on the status. You can click on invoice to get the system printout. This is the FDN verification code and the QR code at the bottom. This FDN you can validate it from EFRIS to ensure that it does exist, and here it is, it does exist. So after doing that, the last option now is the backup option, where you go ahead and create a transaction. Let's say select your item, specify the company associated with the customer. Then this time around, like the post, we also had the save. Also this one has the save. Then after saving, you can also now just go ahead and physicalize later on. So after saving this, it is not submitted, I can click on the invoice number. It will give me the physicalized invoice, and when I click this, it will do the same and push a request to EFRIS and obtain the necessary response to successful. And to also go ahead and update this, and we can also go ahead and print this. Okay, so basically these are the different processes or steps that you can use to generate a tax invoice from WeafBooks directly without having to go through the manual way. You just work within the system, but you go ahead and achieve whatever you want to achieve. I remain Emmanuel from WeafBooks. Thank you.